Hello guys, welcome to Ame's Kitchen. So today we are going to be making the popular Nigerian Chinchin, and to make my special Chinchin I always include curry powder. And today we are going to be making very soft Chinchin, so I'm going to be using lots of baking powder and a lot of butter as well. The first thing you need to do is to combine all the dry ingredients in a large bowl. And in a separate bowl, you whisk together the eggs, milk, and water until it is well blended. Then you rub the butter into flour mixture using your fingers until it is well incorporated. And you pour the egg mixture into the bowl and you go ahead and keep mixing, and you continue mixing until the wet and the dry ingredients are fully combined. Remember to lightly dust your hands with flour as you work with the dough so as to prevent your hands from sticking. After this, you wrap the dough with a plastic wrap and you place it in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you place the dough on a lightly floured work surface and then you cut the dough into half. Then you roll one at a time. You roll till it's very smooth. You can trim away the uneven edges if you would like your chinchin to come out beautiful and even. Then using a knife or a pizza cutter, you can cut the dough into squares or into any shape of your choice. I will be dropping the complete measurement in the description, so make sure you take a good look at it. Put some oil in a pot, and when the oil is hot, fry only a small quantity of chinchin at once. Please do not be tempted to fry a lot at a time. Stir the chinchin as it is frying. This will help the chinchin have an even color. When it's ready, you can remove the chinchin from the oil and place it on a paper towel to absorb the excess oil. Much for watching. Please don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe, and hope to see you again very soon. Bye.